this machine we designed and built 10 or 12 years ago that went into prototype production but never went into full production. But the whole purpose of this machine is to test to see if the plastic part was molded correctly. And in order to do that, you have to load the part up with pressure, bend it over a fulcrum to see if it will snap or not. What we do is we feed the part, we orient the part, we load it onto the dial, and we come down and we probe the part with pressure, and we measure the pressure with a load cell, and then we also use a linear voltage transducer that actually tells us exactly where we're at in the stroke. So we know when we contact the part, we expect to see a certain load, and when we go to a certain depth, we expect that load is still there. If the load's missing, we assume that the part snapped in half and we call it bad.